Go. Start.
Good day, everyone. My name is David Okotie. I'm the project leader for Team 7, and today we're going to show you the app made for Cartonet Solutions. It's a prototype. We're instructed to make an application with a very strong project management theme. So I'm going to take you through the processes we went through in order to make the application. So the first thing we did was to build the 3 different screens, because we came up with the idea of having 3 stages in the quiz, which is the beginners, intermediate, and the advanced. The first stage is the beginner stage, and we started off by putting different functionalities into the first screen. Like, for example, the question label. I went over to the user interface, and you see this label here. We moved it over here, and we changed the name to question label. So that's how we created that particular one. And we did the same thing for the horizontal arrangement. The horizontal arrangement can be found in layout. We took it from there and placed it there and put the required buttons and labels inside of it. So for this beginners screen, which is the first screen, we had to put in some building blocks, and this is where we put the questions that will be asked in the first stage of the application, which is the beginners, the question and the answers. And then we put some functionalities that tells the application what to do. Like, for example, when you get the answer correct or incorrect, the app is able to tell you. I'm going to show you an example of this right now. So this is the application on an Android phone, and this is the application on an Android phone, and we're going to test to see if it actually tells us when we give the right or wrong answer. So as you can see on the building blocks, the first question is the leader of a project team is called, and the answer to that is project manager. But I'm going to put in the wrong answer just to show you that it actually works. The wrong answer, well, for example, I'll put my name, David. Yeah, if I submit it, it tells me it's incorrect. But when I go back and put in the correct answer, which is project manager, and I type submit, it says it's correct. And that's because on the block screen, it shows project manager as the correct answer on the global answer list. So that is how we program the application to detect whether the questions are correct or incorrect. And we can also see that you can move through questions, because there are 3 questions. So if you want to go to the next one, this is the next question, and you can put the answer there. Next one. Like I said, there are 3 stages. So if I want to move from the beginners to the intermediate stage now, I just click on this next level button. And this next level functionality here, this is here. We got this from the button that we created on the designer page. We put in a move to next screen functionality, and we dragged this particular building block onto the designer and added a control to it that tells the application to move to the next stage. So if I click on it now, next level, the application automatically moves to the next level, which is intermediate, and you can go through the 3 questions there. When you're done with the stage, the same thing, click on the next level, and it moves to the advanced stage. So each stage of the application has 3 questions. When you go through all the stages, you can return to the beginners to see, maybe try again if you want to. Like I said, this is a prototype. We intend to make future improvements by adding an interactive feature to it, which enables project managers to be able to communicate questions, answers from anywhere around the world. So the aim is actually to bring people together in the simplest possible way.